Hi everyone. Welcome to Unit 9. It's crunch time. By now, you've realized that your final projects are due in this unit. Please do not turn them in later than the end of this Unit 9. If you intend on being late, please email me for consideration. Please don't forget to complete your final exam as well. It is imperative that you thoroughly execute the exam. If it is not submitted by the end of Unit 9, you risk the chance that it may not be graded. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's quickly recap. In Unit 8, we learned the processes for paper and electronic ticketing. You ventured off on your own to use the emulator. Although it may have been a bit nerve-wracking, you are now prepared to move forward with Unit 9. Now in Unit 9, we learn how to use the help and reference functions, as well as how to explore the tour site and viewpoint. Now, as I mentioned above, it is crunch time. Stay focused and get it all done. Email me with your questions and/or concerns. I'm here for you. See you on the discussion board.